this is GBP JPY before, and this is GBP JPY after moving over 300 pips yesterday. In this video, I want to show you how you can catch this move. So let me just show you slowly and step by step what I was looking for and why I was anticipating this kind of move. Now, let me just remove everything for you guys to understand. Now, for you to get this amount of pips within a day, guys, you really need to go to the highest time frame and understand the market movement or understand the current market position. You understand? So this is the kind of play that the market was giving. Now, if you kind of look at this market, basically you won't see any opportunity that the market wanted to give. So basically the market was just moving all the way up, so that's like an impulse. Okay, so remember, I have another video that I did upload, I don't know the day, I believe the day before or last week, guys. I talked about trying to analyze the market in an opposite way. When people are looking for buyers, we are looking for sales. So if you kind of look at this right here, have your trend right there, and try to clone right there, something like this. So I hope that makes sense. So let's go to the H4 and try to, let's just do this, make sure that everything is making sense. Let's just have it right here, something like this. Okay, we need to evolve and then maybe try to clone this right here, something like this, right there. Now, if you kind of look at this market, everything is looking like a down, an uptrend. So, but according to my analysis, all I can say is that this market has been overbought and I should not be looking for buy position. You understand? Now, for a good swing position, make sure that you take your entry only at the support or the resistance zone. Okay, make sure that your entries are based on the highest level or the lowest level. So when I kind of look at this market right here, I saw that we had a touch right here and we had a touch right here. Then on the bottom, we also had a touch right here. So basically, we've not seen any other touch. So we only had a touch. Okay. Now, if you kind of, try to add another trend right here, something like that, you'll understand that that was broken, the uptrend was broken, and market was giving us kind of an impulse, and all this was a correction. So guess what? After an impulse, we anticipate, after correction, we anticipate an impulse. So let's go to the H1. You understand? So right now we are looking for sale properties only. Okay. Now, if you kind of go to the H1, let me show you. You need to understand that already we had a reversal structure. This was a left shoulder right here, right? That's the head. Then right shoulder, the market went down, gave us an impulse, and guess what? This was kind of a correction before we see, the market giving us that an amazing drop. So if you cannot have this right here, that was something amazing. So you see the market did this thing, and guess what? If you kind of look at this market clearly, it just broke with an impulse, right? So there was no entry position, nothing to tell us that take your sell position, because we only had an impulse. Now, if price has given us an impulse, guess what? Wait for a correction, a smaller version of a correction. So that was what I was waiting for, you understand, before taking my sell decision. So let me show you, right here. If you kind of have this right here, that's also another continuation pattern. Guess what? Impulse, correction. I'll repeat for you guys to understand impulse, this kind of correction. So that was an amazing thing. So let me just show you my public. I gave them the heads up. So when was this? This was June 3rd, and I'm recording this video on 5th. So let me just have this right here. I don't know if you guys can try to zoom this area right here, June 3rd, 1633 UTC. So this is it. When I say GBP JPY swing idea, she's almost ready, just waiting for the last confirmation, and we'll definitely send it to the VIP. Remember, last week I took good care of you guys, so time for the premium gang to also enjoy. Last week I gave out so many free signals to my public, guys, and everything turned out to be so much amazing. Now, Let me just show you. Where are you? Right here. So I say GBP currently 300 pips. Remember yesterday I gave you all these swing ideas. So this is when price was, doing his thing, which is an amazing thing. Now if you kind of look at this, guys, remember I've said there's also an, I don't know, no, I'm not going to talk about this strategy, the analysis or the reverse kind of analysis strategy that I did come up with. I'm not going to talk about that, but see right here we had a double top and we see the market did its thing, which is an amazing, you understand. Right here we had a double top, and of course my initial anticipation was right here. Now I'm not going to talk about that in depth though, but let me just tell you one thing, that GBP JPY has the potential of going back to retest this trend line right here. So that's just a heads up, even though right now let's see what the market did. Just a minute. After taking that, you see the market dropped nicely, and of course we see the market is going up. But then do not be fooled, guys. I was still anticipating that pullback, because I understand this is the kind of the market play that might happen before we see GBP JPY touching that trend line. And guess what? Now remember, all this trade that we that drop was just a correction. Generally it's a correction, because we understand that on the highest time frame we are still in an uptrend. So I'm still anticipating she will be going up down, but then when she touches our anticipated trend line, she's going to give us a big move to the top, understand, right here. And if I kind of extend this right here, now she's going to give us the third touch, okay, something like this. Now when most people will be looking for sell position, to take their sell position based on the third touch, we will just be by the sideline, because we've already taken our sell position. I mean, we've already capitalized on that drop before the push, and of course we will be taking that buy position. That will be a good swing. But for now, I hope I've given you a smaller signal. So I'll remove that, and guess what, let me bless you guys. Swing position on gold trade. So right now this is what we have on gold, right? So if you can see, I'm not going to remove my drawings because I don't want to confuse you guys, because this is it. Now if you kind of look at this, we had a trend, no problem, and guess what, price has already taken out this uptrend. So all this is just an impulse, and right now gold is inside a correction or a continuation pattern. So I believe most people are taking their their entry with a buy or sell position inside a continuation pattern. So I'm still anticipating gold to continue doing his thing, and guess what, she's almost dropping. So if gold touches this level or resistance right there, then that will be a good sign to take your sell position right there. But then guess what, add more confidence, make sure that gold has given you good reversal structure with a double top or an inverse head and shoulder. And of course I gave that heads up to my gang too, the public right here. So this is how gold, I'm anticipating that is yesterday. I was still anticipating she continued going up, no problem, but guess what, we are waiting for it at the top right there. And if you don't get a reversal structure, we won't execute our position. Same as GBP USD and Euro USD. This is GBP USD. I've not checked out GBP USD today in the morning. I don't know how she's behaving, but I hope gold is good for swing, no problem, guys. So I hope you guys got that, and if you do not understand this video, try to watch, you understand slowly, keep on rewinding until you get the concept, guys, how to get those good swings. You understand? 300 pips within a day is not bad, guys. You understand? So check out my Telegram, link in the description box below, and until next time, mi amigos, adios, peace.